Alright guys, so today I'm showing you a recipe that is absolutely money. What it is some stir fry, and it is super low calorie, so delicious. It's just a great meal. Now what we're going to start off with is those Shirataki noodles. I have two different kinds right here. I just decided to really make a whole lot of it, so what I'm doing is making sure that I rinse it very well. I've rinsed it thoroughly already. And that's just a very key point to be doing with these noodles, because they do smell pretty bad right out of the bag, but once you've rinsed them off thoroughly, that all goes away. So first step right there. Alright, so what I got here is some Brussels sprouts that I'm just cutting up. I'm going to be adding to the stir fry. Also, I'm going to be putting in some carrots right over here, and some broccoli as well. So just cutting it up into smaller bits. Brussels sprouts are great because they have actually quite a bit of protein for a vegetable. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's not like any kind of lean meat or anything like that. But for a vegetable, it actually has quite a bit of protein, and again, not a whole lot of carbs or fat, of course, just like any other vegetable, really. So again, it's great protein for plant protein, anyways. And I'm just gonna add several of these just to also put in that extra volume. Make sure that the stir fry is nice and large. Get lots of food in and not have to put in too many calories. Alright, so what I got here is 8 ounces of burger patties. We had made some burgers the other day, so I'm just getting rid of the rest of these, and I'm also going to cut these into small pieces as well, just so they go better in the stir fry. You can obviously use chicken, any other meat really, just as good. Alright, so I've got my noodles, and keep in mind, all those noodles had 0 calories, so I mean, that's quite a bit of food right there, and you're not having to put any calories from it. So keep that in mind. I did my vegetables and my protein. Alright, and for the sauce, I am using spicy bulgogi. It's quite good. It's Korean barbecue sauce, and it's delicious. So just gonna put quite a bit of that on there. This and the burger are really the only significant amounts of calories in this entire meal. So you can add quite a bit, and your total meal is still going to be quite low in calories. Alright, now I'm just going to turn it on. Nice and hot. And then just make sure I stir everything up. Idea how much food this is. Look at that. It's a ton of food right there. Absolute ton. I'd say this is at least, I don't know, maybe 3 pounds or so. This is great. This is, I mean, you could either, if you're up to it, eat this all yourself, or you can make this a family meal. It's honestly enough to be more than just one person serving, so definitely try this out. Alright, so here is the final result. Definitely try this out, guys. It is fantastic. Alright guys, so here it is. This is about half of what I made in total. Great meal, and again, just so low in calories and just tastes fantastic. So definitely try this out, guys. And you know, you can definitely try other sauces, other vegetables. You can really do a lot with it and make it your own. So let me know if you guys like this, if you have any great ideas for adding things into this, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.